Good morning, it's noon. I woke up at 8 and my buddy was like, nope. So good morning. Let's start the day. We've encountered a numbering problem. That numbering problem is the fact that okay, hang on, let me show you. This is day 1, 8/27/2012. It is now 2014. No, that means it should be day 730 today, but it's not. I don't know how to, it's kind of an internal dilemma. I don't know what to do. Never said I was good at math. I think today is day 731. That's it. This is needed. Candy is still napping. Candy is just the nappiest little puppy. I'm saying. She's just the nappiest little puppy, and soon enough she's gonna wake up and I'm gonna have to take her out. But then it'll be good because she's cute. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Go down to the lake. Let's go. Have a poop. Munching on some flowers. Hey, silly girl. Candy, come on. You don't wanna piss off the wasp. Come here. Come here, Candy. She went to go sniff a bee. She's gonna get stung. You're not gonna be too happy about that. Did she go see Candy?
No, Candy get up on the gate and started to slip backwards.
You're not gonna learn, are you? You're not gonna go see Candy anymore, are you?
Did that break?
Did it actually break? No, okay. Your bark is so loud.
Ignore her when she barks.
Not even
I'm
loud.
going to see my cat.
You're going to see your cat.
Watch her.
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.
Oh, Timmy, I didn't know you were in the house. I couldn't find you.
Get down. No, Candy. Candy. Get down.
No, I don't like you, Candy. I like my cat.
Nope. Come here. You're not gonna learn. Candy. Listen. You're gonna stay down. What is it, Candy? You're not really interested though, are you? No, I need more than a couple hours to do it. Oh, whoa. That's not a good thing. Look, it's right there. Want to go investigate it? Candy. Look, it's right there. Nope. You gotta stay away from the ledge. Look.
Can you grab my clothes basket?
Yep. And now it's the ever so magical work time again. Alright, let's see if they're working today. They're probably not, but I have no idea. So I'm just like zonked. Totally. Puppies. Man, I didn't think puppies could be so exhausting. And boy, was I ever wrong. Like, I knew they would be energetic and stuff like that, but totally zonked. So Tuesday, at around 11:30 in the morning, we're gonna get my brakes looked at. Tuesday around 11:30. Tuesday 11:30. Tuesday 11:30. Tuesday 11:30. Tuesday 11:30. Tuesday 11:30. Don't forget. The key to myself. Key to the city. You should go watch that documentary. It's good. And we are home. That is going to be it for another night. I think tomorrow we're going to try and put together the desk. I really don't know. Hopefully if I wake up at 8 or whatever. Hopefully I don't wake up at 8. That's only 6 hours. So hopefully if I wake up at 8 or 9 or whatever, we'll take a minute and try and get that together. But other than that, I really have no idea when we're going to get that together. It might be Monday or Tuesday. Maybe actually Monday. I don't know what's going on. We'll see. It's all up in the air. But such is life, you know? That's the thing. Life is never for sure. Life is never guaranteed. And it can change at any time for the better or for the worse. So, or for the worse, rather. I have to put the emphasis on the other syllable. So, I'm going to go to bed. I love you very much, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.